Era Digholpani and Borkula Lord EM Khonsing Rongpi. Only person born in Ronghang should be given party ticket, says public. Bachikrang Baptist Church celebrates International Mother's Day. Yashvir Sofa Store. Bangso store along nang litum longigji, mesen na sofa. An chot kalisi, an namjum hekpenta longigji. Nang litum an ningkehang a design, ateng pen kasi margin ningkehang do setame, bangso Yashvir Sofa Store along pen longigji. Lapen an parta, hema long kahinotang sofa, puthot kasi mar mate repairing our size ita longigji. Kahumri ng jiadim lake Yashvir Sofa Store, Dokmoka Forest IB at Hengno. Klarda kachini jiapan 8459492372, Lapenke 86381-48114 along Humri Lote, Longigji. Hello viewers, welcome to KAL English Live, Voice of KAL English. Now the news in details. Residents of Era Digholpani and Borkula villages under number 10 Hauraghat MSC constituency had extended their gratitude to local MSC as well as KAL English Autonomous Council EM Khonsing Rongpi for providing them developmental schemes. The villagers said ever since Khonsing Rongpi was given the charge of an executive member in the KAL English Autonomous Council, he has been continuously carrying out works for the welfare of his constituency. They also appealed the BJP High Command to give party ticket for the upcoming election to Khonsing Rongpi so that he could continue his service.
সেইবিলাকৰ কাৰণে আমি সাৰক ধন্যবাদ দিছো আৰু এটা নিউজত আমি দেখিবলৈ পাইছো যে আমাৰ যিখিনি বৰকুলা সুবুৰী মানুহ এই মানুহখিনি কোনোদিন আমি বিজেপি মিটিঙত গৈ পোৱা নাই এওঁলোক কংগ্ৰেছ তেনেকে বুলি উল্লেখ কৰা দেখা পাইছো গতিকে সেই সকলক আমি ধিক্কাৰ দিছো আমি কোনোদিন আমি বিজেপি মিটিঙত নোযোৱাকে থাকা নাই আমি সদায় বিজেপি সাপোৰ্টাৰ হৈয়ে থাকিম গতিকে তেওঁলোকক আমি গৰিহণা দিছো যে তেনেকুৱা মন্তব্য আৰু দ্বিতীয় দিন তেওঁলোকে আগ নবঢ়ায়
Residents of the two villages said that it was due to EM Rongpi that they have been able to avail the benefits of several government schemes, including free toilets, street light, water facility through Jal Jeevan Mission, Arunodoy and others.
সেইকাৰণে মই বিজেপি চৰকাৰখনক মই ভাল পাওঁ মই বিজেপি চৰকাৰ আদৰ্শ নীতি বুজি পাওঁ তেওঁলোকে আদৰ্শ নীতি বুজি নাপোৱাৰ কাৰণে আজি তেওঁলোকে ইমান বেয়া কথা কোৱাটো কোনো ডাঙৰ কথা নহয় কিন্তু মোক বেয়া কথা শিকাবলৈ হ'লে মোৰ মা দেউতাই মোক কেনেকুৱা সংস্কাৰ দিছে মোৰ মা দেউতাই মোক ভাল সংস্কাৰ শিকালেহে মই ভাল কথা ক'ব পাৰিম কাৰণ মোৰ মা দেউতাই মোক ভাল সংস্কাৰ কাৰণ আমাৰ গাঁওখনত বহুত গণ্যমান্য ব্যক্তি আছে তেওঁলোকেও আজি বেয়া পাইছে বাহিৰত আছে বহুত মানুহ বাহিৰত আছে তেওঁলোকেতো শুনিছে নিউজটো বা আমাৰ দিগলপানী এনেকুৱা এটা হৈছে
Harsing Rongpi's report from Habarkehat, KAL English Live. As the KAL English Autonomous Council draws nearer, public of Ronghang have started to express their opinions regarding the performance of the allotment of party ticket to contestants from their constituency. People of Ronghang had on Sunday expressed the same sentiment before media persons, saying that only persons born and brought up in the constituency should be given BJP ticket. Public have raised their voices against the rumor that of the BJP giving ticket to a party leader who have been born in another constituency.
যে আমাৰ ৰংখাঙত যোনটো মানুহে আমাক চাব পাৰে ৰাইজক সহায় কৰিছে দুখীয়া ৰাইজ বা আপদ বিপদত যোনে চাইছে সেইজন কেণ্ডিডেটক আমাক লাগে সেইকাৰণে আমি ছাৰসকলক অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ আমাৰ লোকেল কেণ্ডিডেট দিয়ক বাহিৰৰ কেণ্ডিডেট আমি নালাগে যদি বাহিৰৰ কেণ্ডিডেট দিয়ে আমি বিজেপিত ভোট নিদিওঁ আমি যদি এতিয়া বাহিৰৰ কেণ্ডিডেট যদি আনে আমাৰ ৰংখাঙত আমি ভোট নিদিওঁ সেইকাৰণে আমি ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেণ্ট হওক বেলেগ পাৰ্টিত আমি লাগিলে
Urged KAL English Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma to hear their plea. Public also went to the extent to say that they will withdraw their support to the party if tickets is given to an outsider.
nitum mane rongkhang arlo ke konania huliti mung ta ha konani ta ha pula bang nitum ke nang ni nitu amunit phanda chini ne ahem da chini ne are ta chini ne koda kone kedo kona thua munit lo ne nitum chini ne pot nitum ke la lukel jir lo noi phel lo noi apot bi pot nang kerap thek nang ke lang thek amunit sikenang ne pot nitum ke mane la lukel jetu mohon kathar la phansi pinang po nitum doktor Kupuloma puji tuliram rong hang sar phanda chuning rilo hemonto sar phanda chuning rilo ba MP sar phanda ka chuning rilo ni tuma hin men kela mohon kathar nang dek ko
Wiki based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. Like other places across the globe, the International Mother's Day was celebrated in Bachikrang Baptist Church under Dolamara. Here is a report. The celebration event was chaired by Pastor Andrew Timung, while the Sunday school children extended greetings and warm wishes to mothers through songs, dances, and reading of Bible verses. More than 78 mothers who attended the celebration were felicitated with bouquet and Karbi Poho. Speaker Clinton Timung, while addressing the gathering, appealed to everyone present to always love and respect their mother, like the great American President Woodrow Wilson did. He said that a society where there is no love for mother could not have peace. In Difu, the Karbi Anglong Life Managing Director, Gospel Son Crow, also organized a small event to mark the day at Upper Habjan, where he felicitated his 80-year-old mother, Arlis Singh Narpi. RG Sonrong Pars report from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.